In this video, you're gonna learn how to change channel name on YouTube. So first you need to go to youtube.com, and after that sign in to your account. And after you log into your account, go to your profile at the upper right corner and then click your channel. And after that, go to customize channel. So click it. And in here you can see your YouTube Creator Studio. Now, click basic info. And in here, you can now change your name. But you can change your name twice in 14 days. And after that, click publish. And that's it. That's how to change channel name on YouTube. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.